Steel is the mainstay of modern construction and has been since the Industrial Revolution began. But left unprotected and exposed to the environment, steel will begin corroding immediately. There are several ways to protect steel from the elements, but none better than hot-dip galvanizing, a process that bonds molten zinc to the steel, forming multiple protective alloy layers that protect the integrity of the steel for decades. Valmont began galvanizing nearly a half-century ago and has emerged as an industry leader. We protect our nation's critical infrastructure with one of the most cost-effective and sustainable methods available. Galvanized steel can be recycled indefinitely, has a low carbon footprint, and requires minimal maintenance. Hot-dip galvanizing is environmentally friendly. Zinc is a natural and abundant mineral essential for life. In the industrial world, 30% of the world's zinc supply comes from recycled sources, and 80% of zinc that can be recycled is reclaimed. By dramatically prolonging the life cycle of steel, and with low or virtually no maintenance, the galvanizing process significantly reduces the energy and resources needed to manufacture, transport, and maintain these structures. In addition, zinc is an abundant natural mineral that is 100% recyclable without losing any physical or chemical properties. And when combined with steel, there is a 70% recycled content rate, which easily meets LEED credit requirements. In the field of metallurgy, zinc has a special relationship with steel. In the bonding process called hot-dip galvanizing, the zinc chemically bonds with the steel to form a series of zinc-iron alloy layers. The final layer is 100% zinc. These tightly adhered layers become extremely abrasion resistant because the intermetallic layers are harder than the base steel. So the protective zinc coating actually becomes harder than and part of the steel used in the structure. Zinc also ages at a rate far slower than steel, and as it does, it forms its own protective oxide carbonate film on its surface. These remarkable qualities of zinc continue to protect steel over time. The second additional shielding mechanism is zinc's ability to galvanically protect steel. When a scratch or abrasion occurs, the zinc coating will not be undercut by rusting steel because the steel cannot corrode adjacent to the zinc coating, even when exposed to the elements. This is why the use of zinc and the galvanizing process provides decades of maintenance-free protection for metal structures, even in high-usage areas and in harsh environments. There are three fundamental steps in the hot-dip galvanizing process: surface preparation, galvanizing, and inspection. Preparation really begins at the design stage, and Valmont's team of experts can help you understand the design criteria of the appropriate specifications for your product to maximize efficiency in the galvanizing process. Once the steel arrives at one of Valmont Coating's galvanizing sites, the material is unloaded and placed on racks or fixtures so that it may be transported through the process effectively. The material moves through three cleaning steps to prepare the steel to be galvanized. Degreasing is the first step, removing dirt, oil, and organic residues. Then the structure is rinsed. The second step is a mild acid or pickling bath that will remove mill scale, iron oxide, and etch the steel. Then rinsed again. The third preparation step is fluxing. This step removes any remaining oxides and coats the steel with a protective layer to prevent any further oxide formation prior to galvanizing. Once the structure is clean and dry, it is dipped into a bath of molten zinc. As the material is immersed, the zinc will flow in and around the entire structure, protecting all surfaces. While in the bath, chemical reactions take place between the zinc and the iron in the steel to form the series of zinc-iron intermetallic layers and an outer layer of pure zinc. Inspection and quality assurance is the last step of the galvanizing process, and the experienced team at Valmont Coatings provides unparalleled service. A visual inspection of each structure ensures proper coverage and that the item meets the customer's requirements. When you partner with Valmont Coatings for hot-dip galvanizing, your products will receive the very best protection available anywhere. The Valmont Coatings team will help you understand the design criteria of the appropriate specifications for your product to maximize the benefits and efficiencies of hot-dip galvanizing from fabrication to finished product. Partnering with Valmont Coatings ensures that you and your customers will receive the most durable, maintenance-free, environmentally and economically sustainable product possible. A quality product that will provide value and service for years to come.